Have a listen to this angry girl. You like Chevys? But first things first, I've got to open up the motor and see what kind of damage we did. All right, let's get at her. Okay, we've got her apart. I opened up my cylinder. First I looked at the plug and it's white. It's not bashed or beat too much. As soon as the cylinder died, I turned around and head home. So this is what we found. Look in there, and there is a piece of piston missing. But I can't see right through, so hopefully the bottom end isn't too I'm hoping it just spit it all out the exhaust. But anyways, that being said, now I've got to pull it all apart. So all the pipes have to come off. I'm going to label all of these guys. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to label all my cables so I know where everything goes. I should be able to figure it out, but it just makes it easier. And yeah, I'll tear into it and we'll see what else we can find. All right, we got some parts that have shown up. I got my new piston and rings, and we're going to go through this pile here, and we're going to make it all shiny, clean, wonderful. We're going to hone and size and do all that good stuff, and just in time. There's the T-Cat. All right, we got a table full of shiny stuff ready to put together. Pipes are all ceramic coated, heads have been cleaned up. They weren't too bad, so I just kind of mirror finished the insides, checked them for flat. They're decent. My torque plate, I got a little carried away, had the music loud, figured I'd polish her up. And got some new coils, new intake boots, which is all the difference. Here is why the motor come apart, because this intake boot is cracked. And yeah, let's get her going. All right, we got her all together. It's Boxing Day. I spent my Christmas day assembling this beast. And it turned out pretty good. Figured I'd do a quick little vid here before I add all my fluids and fire it up. Well, it's nice and clean. So engine's redone, top end, rings, pistons, new intakes, which was the problem. It run lean, so I got modified. I kind of actually, my first shot at porting rubber, and new coils. I don't know if you can see that. New coils in there. Got a new fuel primer. Everything but a new belt, which we're going to need pretty quick. So I'm going to add some fluids, turn this thing around, lift the front end of it up so I don't get any airlocks, put my coolant in, and we're going to heat cycle this thing. Okay, first fire. Let's see if we can get her going. Hopefully this works out. There's a lot of work to get here. I've had it fired up once. You can still see the haze. I just kind of double checked everything, and we're going to fire it up now. We're going to heat cycle it. I'm going to get it warm, make sure we don't have any airlocks, and yeah, this thing's kind of violently noisy. she is. I got her all finished up. It's Boxing Day today. I've spent the last 2 days building my engine and going through things, cleaned it up real nice. I'll give you guys a quick look at what I got going on. Made a few things shiny while we were at it. The hood polished up nice. It is super warm out right now. So yeah, turned out pretty good. Did a bunch of suspension work. So now it's got some travel. And yeah, I've had one heat cycle in it. It's still warm. Yeah, this thing sounds gnarly.